Hey everyone, it's Chili. We are going on a play date to a local place called the MUSE in Knoxville. It's over by our zoo, and we're gonna go for their free open house night that they do once a month, and we're gonna go explore. Of course you made a Mickey head. I'm gonna build a box. Watch, Rebecca. Rebecca. I'm gonna build a box. I made a box. Can you make a box?
Whenever you think that it has enough air, you press the green button and it goes.
Spin. All right, push your button. Cool. Tell me.
Okay, so you put the ball on, and then you spin this.
Did you know you have a pressure gauge?
Puts a lot of air in it. And then
You shot it.
And then you're gonna come down here. Do you want to cut it?
Oh, we're fine. Yeah.
Hold on, watch. Look.
Right at the 100.
Pocket solar system. You want to make one?
Yeah, that's good.
You can go after your sister does. Watch your fingers.
something.
Just a second.
Okay. So now, which side do you want your
Can
son
you tell me where the 100 is and help me out?
This side? Okay.
Can you find the 100 on the tape and help me? You can come on this side.
Other side's
So
normal.
pick the sun off. It's this big sliver, because that's how big the sun is compared
All
to
right,
the other.
I'm going to roll this to you. Let's pull it
Put
really
it as close to the edge.
I'm going to roll this to you, and I want you to stop it when you get to 100, okay?
Yeah. Good
And
job.
maybe a little bit further, because you're going to cut it at
So
the 100.
on the other end, you're gonna put this. It's called the Kuiper belt. Some
All
astronauts.
right, if you can cut it at the 100.
All the way at the end.
What about the other one?
Good job.
That one's coming soon. You're
All
gonna
right.
fold the whole thing in half.
Now we're going to put something on each side.
Fold it
Okay?
in
All
half.
the way to the
If
other
it rolls up right now, it's no big deal.
Press down the end.
So I need you to put the sun
Okay, now unfold
Unfold it.
all the way at the
center?
edge.
and you can pick a marker
All the
and
way
you're
on
gonna
the edge.
draw down the center of that
I'm
line.
going to put it up and down like that, just like that, but turn it around so that the round part's facing
Just
the
pick
edge.
a color,
There you
honey.
go,
We're
perfect.
gonna make a lot of lines.
Just pick one.
Green and purple are
It's
Do
okay.
green.
Do
It's
green
okay.
and then purple.
You
We're gonna
remember
do
the guy
plates of words.
he lives in Nashville? So
I used to live in Nashville.
Right down the middle of the line.
Science
Yeah.
experiments in our library
Cool.
every summer for our summer reading program.
All right,
All right.
so now you're gonna
Now
put
I
this
need
planet.
you to
This
put
one's called
Kuiper's
Uranus,
belt
and it
at
goes
this
right in the
edge.
middle of that green line.
Hold on, I'm going to turn it around for you.
That blue one right there.
All the way at the edge. The edge, the edge, the edge, the edge. There you go. Perfect.
Did you know that Kuiper is actually a Greek word?
I did not.
So now you're gonna take it, fold it again.
Invented by a Greek astronomer.
All right,
And then
this
you're
is
gonna
what
hold
I
it
want you to do now.
again.
I'm going to show you with this piece of paper.
So
Look.
take this in and take it to that end.
I want you to
again.
fold it in half. Like this, from the moon
All right,
to
now push
Kuiper's
down.
belt. And I
Okay,
need
now
you to
you can
pinch the
unfold it
bottom,
again.
so look, it lays flat like this.
Unfold it, Rebecca. Unfold.
All right, now you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna draw those lines.
See, you got to use the other color anyways.
Can you draw the orbit in that crease?
Yeah, and then on that side.
Oh, that's nice.
Over here. Eyes over here.
You're gonna draw a line with one of those colors in that crease.
Okay, so this planet, Neptune, is gonna go on that side.
Oh, that one's Neptune.
You're gonna put Uranus.
Yeah.
Oh, Earth.
Yeah, we're gonna use all those. You're right.
All right, now I need you to fold it in half again and then fold it another time. So just like you did, but do it
Saturn will
twice.
go on this one.
Oh,
You got the curly paper.
Saturn is my favorite planet.
Yeah, Saturn's pretty. So now you're gonna take the sun and fold it up to Saturn. You're gonna line it up just
There you
right.
go.
Yeah, okay. Now unfold it, you can draw another line on it.
Good job. All right, now let's do the same thing and draw a line in those, or draw more orbits, just in the creases.
This is gonna be where the other ones go.
That's where Jupiter goes, actually.
Oh,
But then, you're right, the asteroids come next.
okay.
There's one right here.
So now you're gonna do the same thing, fold the sun
there's
up
one
to
right here.
Jupiter. Yeah.
Press down.
All right.
Sorry. I'm gonna put that down here so I can hold it.
So right here, you're gonna
Okay.
put
Unfold it.
Yeah, unfold it, draw another line.
the planet.
Actually, pattern.
Then right here, I need you to put Saturn. I was gonna say Septune, but Septune's not a planet.
Now do the asteroid belt on top of that line.
We're gonna hold this like it is, and I need you to fold the sun, Saturn.
What do you think all that is?
I'm gonna give you a little
Chunks
bit more
of
room.
rock just floating in a
All right, I
line.
need you to draw that line.
All right, so now you can fold the sun up to that. Okay, that one's gonna be Mars.
For some reason, that was missing Jupiter.
Well,
take
someone messed up their sticker.
Put Jupiter there.
So that's Mars.
All right, now fold it to Jupiter.
Mars. I
Did
like
you know
Mars.
that there's more known about Mars than there is half of the
Fold
ocean?
it.
I did not know that.
I believe that.
Yeah, I would believe that.
And then we're actually gonna fold it one more time.
And we're gonna put the asteroid
Think you
belt
can do
in.
it? Or we're actually gonna do this right here.
Oh,
So now we have 3 lines. You see them? 1, 2, 3.
Now I need you
So
to
you can keep your pattern. So we're gonna color in all 3 lines.
fold it again from the sun to the asteroid belt.
So do you know what comes next?
Earth?
Yeah.
Earth isn't very close to the sun. There's
Actually,
2 planets.
It's
Yeah,
closer
there's
than
2
these are.
But
Yeah.
when you look at how big the solar system is, Earth is actually really close to the sun. Because that's what this is supposed to show you, is how far all of the other
Yep.
planets are from the sun.
All right, now this time I need you to fold the sun into Mars and then fold it again after that. So we'll do it one more time.
To do that. And then
This?
Venice?
Yep,
Venus,
just like
yeah.
that.
Venus.
Venus, the Roman goddess of love. Also a planet.
Is that?
All right, now you see how you have 3
Venus
lines?
is on the
I need
green
you to draw a
line, and
straight
then
line.
Venus on the
Mercury
green line.
is the closest to the sun.
I never knew about Mercury.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
They're all
But
close
Mercury.
together.
They make a Mickey head.
You're right. There you go. You did a good job. Do you want to label them? Do you want to draw a satellite? Okay.
Hey guys, find the crab. He's nice. He's nice. He won't kill us yet.
Yeah, they have a lot of faith.
This crab.
You're not supposed to write on the walls.
She can't hear. Use UV light. How do you erase
Long.
it?
Live.
Oh, there's also a fun game over there. I know. See this?
Ah, he ran out of room.
And guess what? There's also something pretty cool over here.
I know, they're running on the walls. You can run on the wall too. Good. Good. You caught it. Why do you like it in here?
It's full of mirrors.
Because it's full of mirrors.
I have two dream devils here. One is gold, one is silver. This one's silver. The other one is smaller. Come on.
Madeline, stop. You don't want to do that right now. You know what one of these are. Feel that and smell your fingers.
I know what that is. Is that lavender?
No.
Nope.
It's that stuff.
No.
That
Peppermint.
No.
No.
Rosemary sage.
Yeah.
Nope. Actually, Madeline was right first. It's rosemary.
I was thinking of rosemary. It's just I couldn't
Pretty
remember
sure.
the name.
That's rosemary.
Up to the other wolf back.
I don't think this is the exit. Oh my. Who had fun at the new MUSE exhibits?
Me.
Let me turn these down so we can hear each other for a minute. So, are we too cold to go get 3 free Frosties from Miss Anita?
No.
Who wants to go get free Frosties?
Me.
Thank you, Miss Anita, for our free Frosties.
Thank you, Miss Anita, for Frosties. Frosties, not Frosties.
Can you say thank you to Lady Clara and Lord Fergus for inviting us to come out and play tonight?
Thank you.
Let's go get some Frosties.
Yeah.